Hello there, my name is emin.mamedov. I represent the company IT-Sputnik, and in this video I wanted to tell that this is the last time when I will represent myself as IT-Sputnik, because we decided to change the name of a company from IT-Sputnik to EMCsoft. We decided to do so because Sputnik is too Russian name, and people may think that we are working only in the Russian market, which is not. We always work with an international company, and all our clients are located around the world. We got clients in United States, in Europe, in Germany, in Latin America, in Middle East, Dubai, even in Malaysia. And actually, from scratch, we always work internationally, globally. Mainly our program is located in St. Petersburg, which is Russia, but we have no clients in Russia. And we Bitrix24 professional programmers, and also we decided that we will go to Salesforce as well. So now we work with Bitrix24 as developers, and we're working with Salesforce as developers as well. I hope you will like name of that company. I hope you will still like me as well. And if you have questions regarding that video, ask your questions in comments on that video and click like if you like that video. So thank you and bye bye.